Hello all, let's unbox Wacom graphics tab. The version is 1 by Wacom. It comes with a great bright red box. It's a creative pen tablet in short. Actually comes with a good packing with a good stylus pen. So let's see, let's unbox. It's a nice cardboard. So let's open it. Wow, look how it feels. Just look at the color combination. Back is red and the front is black. It comes with a nice slim black red combination. This is 1 by Wacom graphics tab medium version, which covers 8.5 inch into 5.3 inch, and it got nice 4 rubber bushes for great friction when you keep on the table. So just let's keep aside and let's see the contents. So you have a cable, you have a manual, and you have a stylus pen. So that is a key feature in this graphics tab. Let's see, we have two buttons here which can be assigned for any particular task. Let's focus on the nib. Aesthetic look and this ergonomic design feels like a regular pen, and it doesn't require a battery to operate. Quite lightweighted as well. You can see a nice engraving of Wacom here. So it's quite a good pen. Let's see a cable where we can connect this, and it has a nib also. It's a nib removal kit with 3 extra nibs. Really quite good. So this user manual, let's see. This is a simple manual which explains how to connect the computer by installing a driver and what are the components present in the box. And here is the precautions that you should take while using the device. This is how it feels like. We need to remove the screen, and to do that it's actually quite lightweight, and this is a medium version of 1 by Wacom model, and this is a nib removal and up close hand with 3 extra nibs. It's a quite good quality nib. These are the contents in the box, and when you get new things you try it out, right? So this is a painting I drawn. I know it's bad. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, kindly like and subscribe my channel.